having my baby. In the pitch black.
That's what it is.
No, the date's right. I think
okay.
dated 21st day.
We're having fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Anything else, Jason? He put it in his LLC. Yeah, so
That's good. Everything else.
I like Tony. You related?
Cousin, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, first cousin. His dad, my dad, brother.
Alright, hello. So some of this will be a voiceover. So this is day 5. Breakdown started July 7th. As you can see, we've already started installing the front windows, but they are not completely done at all. So we're going to go ahead and look outside first. I can't wait to see this place transform. Hello. The neighbors were very nice. Okay. Taking a walk to the backyard. Dang on chicken coop. No wonder there's roosters back here. Sorry guys, I did not clean my lens. Don't worry, I'm gonna do a much better job next time when it comes to the video footage and making sure the lens is clean. It's a large yard though. It's pretty large. Nice size property. So chicken coop. Do a lot back here. Cool. How cool is a chicken coop though? That's what I've been waiting for. Let's take a look inside, y'all. Here we go. It was very dusty, so I was trying my best to stay clean and get good footage. Look at all that. And the guy was supposed to be done, and he's not. As you can see, a lot of that stuff isn't back yet. So we're gonna open up that wall right there. So this is just the beginning process. Bedroom over here, bedroom here, bathroom. Back to the bedroom. Look at all that. You gotta take up all that flooring. You got all the baseboards though. Still got a lot to see. There goes some more of the windows that needs to be installed. Birthday balloon over there. Just arrived at bathroom. Wait till you see what we do with this place. Okay. Yuck. Don't know what that is over there. Let's keep it moving. Come on, play. Okay, more of that. All right. Kitchen. Oh yeah, by the way, I have to start looking at appliances. I'm actually going to do that tomorrow. As you can see, it's a couple steps down. And down here, you have another bedroom. And over here is what we're going to make a half bath. Oh my gosh, a lizard! Oh no, I need to get out of here. Don't worry, I think it's from We're gonna make this a half bath or full bath. These outside. This is a nice size room. This may just be the master. Oh my gosh, so much work to do, guys. I just do not like this process. It looks so, you know, dirty, but hey, it's all about the process, or it's all part of the process. It was bugs in here, guys, so I was trying to be extra careful. It was a huge wasp. So this is the sunroom area, or other bedroom, because it's listed as a 4-bedroom and 1-bath home. But we plan on making it either 1.5 or 2 full baths. We'll see how that goes. Oh, well, I think we're gonna break down the wall, so let's go ahead and get this tile. Ooh, look at this one. That's different. It's a huge slab. Okay. Hi. Okay, so now we're here. Okay. Let's go ahead and see. I'm looking for a 24 by 24 tile. So we're on their porcelain. We're gonna go over here. 24 by 24. Okay. It's a nice one. 24 by 24. That is okay, 12 by 24. The sizes are all mixed up. Yeah. Okay. Huh? Oh, okay. 24 by 24. Floor tile. Yeah, I'm just trying to find a nice design. Alright, thank you. I'll just look around. But yeah, I see like this right here. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Please. It's a little dark. I want some high shine.
33 by 33.
It is?
Yeah.
I thought it was the same. No, this right here. Not. I think this is for that. Yeah.
This one's the real.
Oh, that one. Okay. All right. Yeah. I do love that tile. Yeah. I used this before. I love it. It's beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so that is the tile that we used in the Airbnb. I love it though, but I'm trying to see if I can find something different. Let's see, or if I'm just gonna get drawn back to that one. But that price is $229 square foot. Let's see what we have here. I love the shine of that one though, but I do like these. But let me see. Maybe if it was a larger property. But I think I like that one. First one. Let's go back on this side. Let me see. See, look, I don't know. It's different though. I always do. The white is okay. These are nice, but they're just not glossy. I don't know. Okay. We're back with the original decision. Because I don't know if I'm feeling these ones like that. Unless we do. Let's see. Okay, so this one is nice too. Is this the same one? Let me see if this is the same one. But this one is darker though. So this is a contender. It's not as shiny. That's the other one. Here we go, $299. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so this one isn't bad, but let me go back to the other one so you can compare. I love how big these are. Okay, that one was this one, the crystal grease. Wait, is this the same one? Yeah. Okay. This one's this one. So what this one is, it is shinier. I love this one. I really do. This is it. It's a winner again.